Hi, it's Amy with Mama Bear Blue. Thanks for joining me today.
My husband and I go thrifting at least once a week, and I had been on the lookout for a piece of furniture that would be perfect for using the new JRV decoupage paper on.
And we came across this painted bench with drawers. It had a couple coats of black latex paint, but it wasn't peeling too badly, so I knew that I could use DIY paint over it without any problem. It had one small crack in the top, which I took care of, and I'll show you how I did that.
First step is always to clean the project. Here I'm using TSP and some paper towel to wipe it down. Then I use a clean wet rag to wipe off any of the residue. Now to deal with that small crack, I got my wood filler out, but as you can see it was completely dried up because I probably forgot to put the lid on tightly. But it wasn't a problem. I use my IOD air dry clay and it works very well. Next, I needed to choose a paint color. I am using DIY clay-based paint. It's an all-natural paint, no VOCs. It comes in many beautiful colors. For this project though, I decided to go with black, and I'm using the color Little Black Dress. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing.
I'm a JRV decoupage paper retailer, so I took a quick trip to my booth to pick out which paper would look great on this bench.
JRV decoupage paper comes in 20 by 30-inch sheets, and it comes in many beautiful patterns. For this project, I chose the world map, and it will take 2 sheets. I like to paint the surface behind the decoupage paper a lighter color so that the decoupage paper image shows up well. If you put the paper over a darker surface, it could make the image not as visible.
Where's my brush, Waylon? Waylon, that's my good brush. What are you doing? Hey, that is not a Chewy.
Next, I chose the section of the paper that I wanted to show on the drawer fronts, and I got out my DIY liquid patina, which I use to seal furniture but can also be used as a decoupage medium. I put a nice thick coat onto the drawer and then positioned the decoupage paper where I wanted it. Once you lay it down, you don't have a lot of time to reposition, so be sure to lightly lay it down, position, and then you will spread another layer of the liquid patina. Gently smooth out the wrinkles with your brush. You can also use your fingers and hands to smooth out any wrinkles. Just be careful not to tear the paper in places where you don't want it to tear. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within.
As the liquid patina dries, the wrinkles smooth out. There are times you're left with a few small wrinkles. Actually, it gives a little bit of texture to the project because that dark wax will get down in those little creases and really give a little age to the project.
If you put a little extra patina on those edges, it will make that area easier to tear. I finished it off with one more light coat. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. I repeated the same steps on each drawer. And you are my past. Pretty little thing. And then I took a 220 grit sandpaper and lightly sanded the edges as well as the drawer fronts. This was just to give it a bit of an aged, faded look. Feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart.
I then put a coat of clear wax over the entire bench, including the decoupaged areas.
The clear wax will not only seal the project, but will bring back the original beautiful color of the paint Clear wax gives a smooth, buttery finish.
Nowhere to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
And then I went over the drawers in a bit of dark wax, just to give it a bit of an aged look. At first I thought I might repaint the handles black, but after looking at them against the decoupage paper, I decided the brass with just the little bit of patina that it had was a nice look, so I left it that way. And I'm happy with the way it turned out. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I have new videos uploading. Thanks for watching.
To purchase the products I used to complete this project, visit my website, mamabearblue.com.
Waylon, you're getting dog hair on my chairs.